wants that support. Hey, support. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. We got this minor level here at 24 as well. So let's see what we do. Nobody knows not. Everyone renews. Um, missed the buy. That's all good. All good.
नीचे shit. Okay, let's start the stream. तो अपन स्टार्ट करते हैं टॉप डाउन एनालिसिस से क्या चल रहा है इधर. It's 8:40 a.m. New York session have been opened. Candle printing upside. Let's start from the daily time frame. What is cooking on daily time frame? Let's see. So daily candle is bullish, closing above daily highs. So we'll mark it as a daily open. Okay, so this is a daily open candle. 4 hour, nothing, just 4 hour candle, 1 hour 18 minutes to close. It's pushing back up. It's pushing to this support zone. Okay, let's see. One hour, so many resistances. There is market with 1 hour. Okay, this is 1 hour resistance. What is doing? It is doing a break and retest. We'll see it will bounce back or just break this resistance and move to the south. There was a counter trend. It's good. 16, 14. If it creates a support, then it's high probability to go up. So we'll wait for a support on 30 minutes. What is going on 15 minutes? Let's see. Nothing. It's back on 1 hour support zone. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay, we'll wait for a 15-minute or 30-minute support to form to take a buy till this range. Or a pullback from here to here. Would be a good. Would be a good idea. 4 hour bearish. 2 hour is also bearish. 1 hour is also bearish. 30 minutes is pushed down. So I'm waiting for a support to form. We'll wait for a support to form. Waiting to support. Support to form. That's it. That's the plan.
I don't like to repeat myself, you know? The Vikings here. Oh, there he is. We gave away 22 accounts between London, basically in the clubhouse last week. We gave away 22 50K accounts. Say I won't give another account away. Say I won't give another account away. Say I won't do it.
You won't give another account away.
Say I won't do it.
Bro, we had major giveaways. London session was insane.
Nuts.
And they got their account like same day.
Same day. I feel bad. I think there's 3 people who haven't got their account yet. I'm just waiting on my man. Did you guys get it? I'm not sure. I don't want to ask you again, but I'm just waiting on my man Cam over here. I don't know if he's seen my message yet.
What's up, Nick?
Hey, how are you, Magnus?
Doing
How's it going?
Incredible.
Yeah?
What about you, man?
Doing awesome, brother. Doing awesome.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, gonna golf today. A little Tea Time Tuesday today.
Sounds great.
What you doing today?
Going to the cinema with my girl too.
Oh, nice. You guys gonna watch
We all having a little
movie?
date.
Little date?
Little date night.
Little cinema action?
Yes, sir.
You kids be good. You kids be good at the cinema.
Oh.
Oh, snap. Whoa, today makes 1 year in the clubhouse for me. Whoa. Hold on. Did we surpass a year in the clubhouse already?
Yeah, we certainly do then.
Did I miss the birthday? Did I miss the birthday of the clubhouse? TK, talk to me, man. Talk to me. What the hecky? What up, Sam, man?
Crazy.
Oh,
When was
snap.
that? When was the like 1 year anniversary?
Yo, when was the 1
think it
year
was, like,
anniversary?
Start September, maybe.
I think so. Yeah, September something.
Yeah.
Wow, I can't believe I missed the birthday. We're gonna have to go have a steak for the clubhouse. Just put it there, no one eat it. It's just I'm gonna post it in the food channel. It's like, this is our steak.
Exactly. That'd be
Yo, I missed the
good.
B-Day.
insane.
That's crazy.
Where's Johnny Gems? He go gym?
Yeah, he's probably at the gym.
Cool.
Bro, hold on. I'm tripping. I need to find out that date. The date.
Yeah, I
It's
think
like
London
September
started like
9th, maybe?
7th, maybe?
7th? Okay, yeah. It's like 7, 9, something like that.
Yeah, I think so. Well,
Oh,
I can't
August.
remember
Oh, no way. Yo.
August, no way.
Hey, that shows you how much I really care, I guess, right? Like, I'm just focused on growing, moving forward, and helping traders perform at the highest levels they ever performed at. And when you start performing at high levels off the charts, oh man, don't just get ready, because it's gonna rub right off on the charts at that point.
Oh yes. One thing you told me in the beginning too was how you do one thing is how you do everything.
Yeah. Yep. It's amazing. You know, you just again you act the
Real.
part, you become the part. So
Sure.
we're all actors. I mean, at the end of the day, right? Like, I love when people say, you know, you got to teach that kid how to act, or you know, people say, you know, you need to learn how to act, right? We're all actors. It's just, are you broke? Like, what's your character? You know what I mean? Like, what character do you want? You know, at any point you can change your character, right? I love that Joe Rogan video where it's like, you know, why don't you just pretend someone's following you around in a documentary, and you're some dude or some girl, and you are struggling, and up until this point you just were lazy, you know, but now you're turning it around and after it, and go show the world how you can transform your character. Like, everyone loves a good underdog story, right? I mean, I know I do, especially when I'm at the cinema, right? So life is a movie, and you determine the character that you play. So will you be an NPC in somebody else's, you know, story, or will you start to take on that main character role? I'm telling you, life is better when you take on that main character role.
For real. Act as if.
Yeah, act as if. Act as if. The law of assumption. Change your whole life. Or I should not say change your whole life. I should say it create your whole life. Create your whole life. Okay, cool. So we pushed through the range here. The news came out. Let me just look at the numbers here too. Oh, where'd Miss Cook go? She's gone. Uh-oh. Yeah, you also had CPI and the CAD as well. They didn't really do much there. But we got green numbers here, so that could push gold down. We will see. Numbers came out pretty good on the dollar. And again, I like the idea of the break and retest here, right? The range 2 breakout. So you kind of really just wait for a fresh resistance to be formed, ideally up here. And then we can kind of trade the rest of the range, possibly even fill that wick, right? And then that'll be the trade. So let's see.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I like that we came down here, not just juiced up with news. So now we have some range action.
Same. So I would say, like, even just to give you a visual on candles here, right? Like a nice pump up, something that like remains below. I really don't care if we want to wick up there too. Something that either remains below, we could look to take sells on the next candle, right? If there's high volume at that point, or we wait for this to go down, and now we have that wick to fill. We got volume coming in, and we can take this sell right here. You know, that's probably the best sell of the night, or the day, I should say. We fill the wick, we close partials, and then we let our runners, you know, run down to 18 if they can.
That would be lovely right there.
Yep.
Didn't think I should take sells on gold though. But
we're gonna be daring
yeah,
today.
Could be.
We're gonna be risky.
Oh yes, sounds good to me.
Yeah. I was on the waiting list for the clubhouse at the end of August. Damn, yeah. So it must have been like late August, early September. Sheesh.
Oh yeah, the wait list. I remember that.
Yo. The wait list. That's right. Magnus on the treadmill again. Let's get it.
Yeah, I need to, bro. Gotta get some steps in.
Gotta get them steps. I should get a good amount of steps today at the golf course.
So, oh yeah, definitely.
Man, I have not golfed in about 2.5 months. Sheesh.
Wow. Not even in your garage? Like,
Yeah,
putt?
look, a couple putts here and there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been a minute. And I did chest and front delts yesterday, so C-Melly's lucky. I might not be on too much today. We'll see. I'm a little sore, but we should be good to go. You're lucky, C-Melly. You're lucky.
Yeah, Shakes. You gotta hit us with that golf vlog.
Yo, vlogging, and I was telling C-Melly this yesterday, is a full-time job. Like, believe it or not, it's not as easy as you may think to vlog and to record things and to be on top of it. Like, even when we went to the car event yesterday, I literally forgot my camera. I'm like, damn. So, like, believe it or not, it's not as easy as it seems. And that's not even edit. That ain't even sending it over to get edit and all. It's crazy. We got to hit the range a little bit. We're playing at a very nice course today. What's up with top one? The Ignite account. I don't know. We're gonna trade it this week. We're gonna have some fun with it. I don't know. We might blow it. We might pass it. I don't know. You know, we might get paid. We might lose the account. We'll try it out though and see how we like it. Little rotator. Yeah, exactly. Stretch it out a bit.
Even like, oh, it's only 8:45 actually, but like coming down there and giving us a fake out at 24 wouldn't be bad too for buys.
No, not at all. Yeah, I would be down for that too.
Yeah, I think sells and buys here look great.
Yeah. You got to pay someone to do it. Hey, anyone in Tampa want to roll around me every day and just follow me with a camera? Anyone? Anyone? I'm taking applications. What's my plan next? How are you looking at price action? I don't know if you were here just a few minutes ago, but we kind of drew a little pullback here and then potential resistance forming up here to take sells. If we do end up coming down and we start playing around at 24, right? So let's say we don't come up, we just start stalling right here. Then there might be an opportunity for us to go back up here. And it just depends on where we're at when the volume comes in. So I would say around 9:15, we're going to start getting pretty aggressive on, you know, what we want to do in terms of where candles are at that point.
Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
Every single one of us would do it. Yeah, I think Nick, you could get like 100 people walking around with you every single day.
Yo, let's do it. I'm down. Who's in Tampa? Who can hang out with me like a couple days a week though? That's the thing. Can you roll with me a couple days a week? It's a good life. You'll get paid well, and you'll have a lot of fun. Trust me. See, Mel, did you have a lot of fun yesterday? Not bad, right? Not bad. You'll eat very good too. Yes, yes.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yes, you will eat good. He said, I'll move to Tampa right now. Let's do it. Writing down my trades in a notebook with my own hand makes me feel, yeah, I like that. I like that. Yep, the power of journaling your trades. You'll make the drive from Orlando a couple days a week? Okay. You guys have any experience with like filming? I got cameras. We're good. I got all the equipment. Hey. Great book right here.
That book is fire.
Treat it like a business.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Hey, who's that handsome guy over there in the corner, man? That's what I'm.
Hey, yo.
Who's that guy right there? Okay. Do you get free excess? Yeah, we'll hook you up with some excess. Yeah. That could be a part of the deal. I'll make the flight from Cape Town. Hey, yo. Hey, I appreciate that. Hey, if you are literally chilling in Tampa, though, like, holla at me. If you got video, like a little bit of experience, just roll around with me, ask me some good questions throughout the day. We'll make it happen. I'm moving to Tampa from Colombia. Yo. Ben G's coming. Do we get to eat on the spoiler? Yes. You get to hang out. We got dinner table, nice spoiler dinner table. It'll be lovely. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not an easy job. Sebastian's down. Okay. 3 times a week. Yeah, yo, douche tray. Excess, baby. Do I get to read the menu from right to left? No, from left to right. You don't even look at the menu. I just order what I want, and then I go and whatever Anthony wants. That's what I do. And whatever he wants. Yeah, and then you don't have to worry about it. What do I think about a newfound support? It just depends on where that support forms, right? So again, if we can form support down closer to 24, I like that move, right? I would definitely be interested in taking a buy at that point. So what I mean by that is if this candle can actually, continue its way down, maybe even close below, and then you get the support that forms down here, that's going to make a lot of sense, right? For us to get into these buys at 9.15 or 9.30 for price to move back up. But if that support forms somewhere else, right? Like let's say this candle starts to push back up and you close like this, then I wouldn't really be open to that. What I would do is probably put a little support here now, and I would wait for, a closure below it maybe, right, to continue down. But it all depends. Or I would wait for some sort of a bearish move. Maybe it doesn't, give us what we want, and then the next candle ends up closing above, right? And then that's when I'd probably put the green light back on the buys and take buys going up. So probably going to need at least 1 or 2 candles to close here before we have any real good position ahead of us. Bro, why does my...
Yeah, 9:30 would be great. That's like a couple candles more here.
Yeah, 9:15, 9:30 gives us two 15-minute candles.
Yeah, we'll see 9:15. Could go aggressive there. Let's see.
Yeah. Hey, just give me 1 minute, okay? I'll be right back.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Oh, that's the dream work. Yeah, true, Michael. Just follow Nick around all day. That'd be insane. For real. Yeah, beat up. No 1 hour top wick. We're pretty bullish here. No 1 hour top wick in the previous one. We tapped support. So I mean, be nice to make it way back up there. Also, if the fall want to pull back, move bullish in the last 1 hour of the candle, that will make sense. Let's see these buys here. Nice fake out at 24 would be great. Bro is walking from yesterday for real. Bro, I walked since yesterday. Ain't even tired. Don't know what's going on, but yeah. Need those steps though. Sounds like 9:30, 9:45 cheat code. Perfect. Yeah, that'd be nice. Couple candles more here. Let's get this nice fake out. Or like a nice support of 24. Be great. What's your daily step count? Like at least 10k. Like 10k steps, but 10k or to 20. 10 to 20k. That's probably it. But at least 10. So just trying to get 10 every day. GC in demand zone if it holds 24. Yeah, true. Like demand, support, whatever you want to call it. We're looking pretty good with buys above 24 though. I'll certainly be in those. Magnus walking to conquer the lands of rock now. Okay. Let's get it, Future Lore. What's up, my man? Doing the same. Good work, Tarek. Good work. Yeah, I love getting those steps in. Especially walking outside too and all that. A lot of sun. It's beautiful. What's up, iPhone Benji? Sir, hope you're well too, Future Lore. Hope you're good, my man. Yeah, it makes such a difference. Yeah, true. Really improves, like, or just digesting in general, especially if you eat a lot, if you're walking all that. 10k steps a day is key. Oh, that's your real. Not over here green. Does still make better since post pullback? I mean, sells would make sense here, but we need kind of a bullish candle first, coming maybe up to 30.8 there. If you can get a nice resistance there, I mean, that'd be pretty good for sells. Like a nice pullback here for sells, or coming down and giving us a support. Sitting is the new smoking for traders. That's insane. Well, that's kind of true though. Imagine sitting like 5, 6, 7 hours a day. Yeah, that makes sense.
For real, that's why I stand like every time.
Exactly. That's why I walk. That's why I stand. Like sometimes I sit down, but it's only like for 1.5 hours a day.
That's light.
Yeah, exactly. So it's fine. Chamber.
Just join the clubhouse. You get a 50k, and you get a 50k. 50ks are wheeling off the shelf.
Just throwing them.
I got a surprise. Anyone that joins the clubby today, I got a little surprise. Thanks to somebody. I forgot who it was, but somebody said it, and then I said something, and then that's just how it went. Someone said something, and I said something else, and something happened, and that's just how it went.
Someone said something.
Okay, cool. This looks good. Yeah, so new 30. So so check this out. So if this 30 here stays the way it is, right? Even if we can break the lows here, come down, spend 15 minutes out of this first half of the 30-minute candle, kind of like being down here and then rejecting. I think that what we can do is, if the candle breaks the highs, right, in the second half of the candle, meaning like 9:15ish, right, then what we can do is we can look to, so basically the candle will look something like this. So you'll have this candle, right, and then it'll start kind of moving back up, and as it breaks its own high, that will be our opportunity to get in. But what that will look like on the 15 would be a 15-minute candle that closes like this. So this candle that we're looking at now, just pretend that this is the candle, right? And it will close something like this with a big rejection to the downside. And then as that 30-minute candle flips up and breaks its own high again in the second half, that's going to be this trade breaking this candle here, breaking the high, and then beginning to move up. Very similar to the trade I took earlier, which is right here, right? This break of the high here for price to move up. It'll be very similar to that trade. So yeah, we'll see if we can get it. I would love to see us hang out down here for at least another 10 minutes or so, and then start to reject towards the closure of the candle. And then, yeah, we could look to snag some buys here. Yeah, so we'll see if that's the case. Other than that, either way, we need to wait for a little bit of a move back up before we do anything. Buys, sells, you know what I mean? So bonus does include the purple arrow strategy. Yes. Exactly. ES, let me give you guys my thoughts on ES. We really didn't do much of a breakdown here. So let's just chat about it real quick. So yeah, ES again, strong bullish move up, just like gold on the daily. You have a 4-hour, you have this daily candle that closed bullish yesterday, right? We did end up creating support, very similar to gold here. But my concern now on the continued move up is that this candle has no lower wick. So maybe, just maybe, we can anticipate this daily candle coming down to break that low to create a lower wick. Now, I'm not saying that this daily candle will close bearish, but can we maybe flip bearish, create a wick, and then maybe close bullish, right? Who cares? Like, by the time we're out of the session, it doesn't matter what happens after that. But can we potentially get into some shorts, right, to anticipate that daily candle giving us a bottom wick? So let's go to the 4-hour here. So 4-hour is starting to head down now. We just broke the previous 4-hour lows. That's a sign that we could begin to move down. There's about an hour left on this 4-hour candle here. So 1-hour time frame is right at support. So I think any sort of closures below, especially if we get this 4-hour candle now to close bearish, then there could be very valid sells below 83 there. So what could be even better, though, in my opinion, is you let this 4-hour candle close, right? So you let this hour candle close, and then you'll have a new 4-hour top wick that needs to be formed, right? So let's say it's even on the 30-minute, right? You let that next 30-minute open at 10, start to create that wick, right, for the new 4-hour candle, and then you could even look for sells at a little bit of a better price somewhere up here, and you can say, hey, cool, you know what? The 4-hour closed bearish, right? This move up that we're seeing here on these two candles, this one and this one, are potentially this wick, and then as you get that resistance up there, you could start to sell. So basically you're selling from like right here on that 4-hour candle as it's making the top wick. By the time it breaks the lows again, right, you're already very heavily in profit, and then maybe it can continue running down. So that's probably what I would look for. Yeah, you could take the buy too, you know what I mean, like to get the move back up as well. Just that's probably the price action I would anticipate. Yep.
We got Johnny Gems here.
Oh,
Mr. Gems.
Mr. Gems.
Mr. Gems. What's up, Johnny Gems? Hope you had a good gym sesh.
Hope you had a gem sesh. Yeah.
Good.
Oh, Rafi's in the building too. Oh, we got the trio here. Oh. All right, we got the Kobe trio. Wait, what am I? We need hibachi tonight, man. Wait, see, Melly, are we going to the steakhouse or should we just do hibachi? Kobe trio?
Damn.
I'll get a Voss water for Magnus. What do you say?
Bro, I knew
I'll ball out a little bit today. A little balling. Bro,
do a story, please.
Johnny Gems.
Or send me a snap.
Can you share your top 10 books? I would say Magic of Thinking Big, Think and Grow Rich, The Slight Edge, Outwitting the Devil, The Compound Effect, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, Good Leaders Ask Great Questions is another good one. Think. The 5 a.m. Club, definitely in there. Rich Dad Poor Dad. What's that? 9, and then Magnus will give you the 10th one. What's a good one,
You already
Magnus?
said all the ones. I was looking and I was like, you said the power of positive thinking. That's
Hung by the
10th.
tongue. Yeah, Power Pod. There's so many more than 10.
Or the 11th now.
Yeah.
Power of
The
positive
Forex
thinking
mindset.
is a solid one.
Yo, Back to Alive. Did you actually read that one, Shakes? 3 Magic Words. Yeah, that one was good, actually. Yo, shout out to the Chief, man.
Yeah, I want to read that one too. Is it good?
Yes, it was good.
Yeah, I want to read that one too. I'm gonna get it.
The Tongue of Creative Force may have been the most, like, maybe outwitting the devil, but like the tongue of Creative Force, probably one of the best books I've ever read. Most enlightening books ever.
Gotta get that one. Have to.
Yeah.
Right now, reading The Richest Man in Babylon.
Oh my God, how did I forget about that one? Oh my, what about the monk who sold his Ferrari? I mean, damn,
Oh my God, that
come
one
on.
is insane. Bro,
Sheesh.
you can't even list a top 10. You have like it has to
You
be
literally
top
can't.
25.
Maybe
Has
we
to
go
be.
20, 25. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. The Bible? Yes, sir. Got the Bible right here as always. Always got the word. Always got the word. Do you have your word? Are you studying? Richest Man in Babylon? Damn, forgot about that one too. That was one of the most awesome books I ever read as well, man.
Yeah, just started on it too. Very small one, but we'll see.
Wow.
It's pretty good.
No,
You
one
told
of
me
the
about it.
Yeah, The Richest Man in Babylon. If you want to get your money right and your thought process on money, Richest Man in Babylon's where it's at. Such a good book. There's another one. It's called I think it's called The Greatest Salesman Ever.
The greatest salesman in the world, isn't that one?
It's by Og Mandino, one of my favorite authors.
Yeah, salesman in the world. That's
Bruh, this book right here, incredible. It has nothing to do with sales, by the way. Yeah, this book right here, great book. Anything Og Mandino is typically going to be a great book. I haven't read all of his books, but
Bro, got it right here.
yes.
That man sounds powerful.
John Maxwell, I've read almost all of his books on leadership and just incredible. There's a lot of good authors.
Norman Vincent Peale too.
Norman Vincent Peale, Neville Goddard, Jim Rohn, Brian Tracy. There you go. Yep.
Neville. Jeez.
Darren Hardy. Darren Hardy's great. Yeah, Joe
Wait, that's the
Dispenza.
compound effect guy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Robert Kiyosaki, good author.
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Simon Sinek. Yep, I've read pretty much all Simon Sinek's books. I forget what they were called. Why, the Power of Why, and yeah, he had some great books. I haven't really heard of much of him or have read much of him in probably like the last like 5 or 6 years. If we do crack here at 9:30, I'm going 20 lots on my live account today.
Yeah, this
20
looks
lots.
Really
Or
good.
20 lots and hold till that optimistic
Yo,
TP.
for real. We're trying to get a big bag here today. I think I might have to pay for golf later, so I gotta make some money here today.
Oh, say less, bro. Yeah, you just reminded me, bro. Tea Time Tuesday, baby.
Oh,
Let's
that's
go.
right. Johnny Jens is coming today. Yeah. That's
Did you
right.
forget?
Almost, you know. I didn't.
That
Not that I
reminding's not
forget. I
paid.
just wasn't thinking about it yet. You know. I'm still
Yeah,
thinking
yeah,
about
right.
like this. You know.
The morning. Same, bro. Nah, bro. I remember, though, when I woke up, I'm like, bet, it's Tea Time Tuesday. Nick, C. Melly, we lit, boys. Let's go.
Yes. Yeah, Darren Hardy's great. Like I said earlier too, Og Mandino. This guy is really good. Got a lot of good books.
What's it about that book?
Let's give a little explanation. Let's see here. It's a very ancient book. It's like it's
Some book.
the fact that it's $6.84 is absolutely mind blowing. This book should be
Wow, yeah, but most people
$1,000.
don't buy books. Most people don't even read books, you know.
Bro
That's
said
almost more.
$5.
That's almost more wild than the Clubhouse only being $150 a month. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Insane.
Bro, I think like nah, it's crazy. A cheeseburger costs more than that, bro.
Yo, a cheeseburger costs like double.
Costs
More than double.
Shamrock costs
Yeah,
more
Bro,
than
that's
that,
mad
bro.
funny.
Like what? How are people paying more to eat a cheeseburger than to fill their mind up with gems? Chat, someone tell me.
Bro,
Hey,
that's
this is
mad
perfect.
funny.
So we broke the lows here now.
Yes, fire.
So this is actually really good. Really
I was just
good. If
gonna
we
say
come
that to
up,
you, Nick.
we should be pretty good here.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
just gonna say that, bro. I love that. We grabbed that lower wick.
Yup.
It's like you
So
want to add now.
I want to move my entry down, but I'm gonna leave it where it is.
I mean, we still got high volume coming in, like pre-NYSE open volume.
Yeah, we do.
Dude, we see these patterns repeat themselves over and over again, bro.
Basically every day.
It's like
Every
this is a great,
single day.
this is a great setup in my opinion.
Oh yeah, definitely. Same here.
All right, lovely.
Nick, you going 20 on live or you going 10? Right now, as we
I think I'm gonna go
got the
10.
shit.
10 right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we pump, then we'll go. If we kind of like close bullish, then I'll probably go 20.
Yeah, makes sense.
All right, gold should start to move up from here. We got high volume coming in as well, so this should get pretty good.
Well, I'm in.
Yep, looks good.
What's the most you can make on this account, the Ignite? Does anyone know?
To be honest, not too sure.
No clue. No clue.
Me neither. So yeah, I think partial's gonna be sitting somewhere around here. So partials, if we can get there, then we got partials somewhere around these areas here. And then yeah, full TP somewhere up in 34, that 34 area there.
Yep, sounds pretty good to me.
Love it.
I like it. I like
like
it.